Want to make professional-looking videos for social media, but have zero editing experience? Don't worry, I've got you. Today, I'm going to show you how to create stunning, engaging videos using a free tool you probably already know, Canva. This is a step-by-step guide. So let's get right into it. First things first, open up Canva and search for video. You'll see a ton of options, but let's keep it simple and click on the standard video format. This gives you a blank canvas, a 16 by 9 landscape perfect for YouTube. Now, here's the magic trick to getting started fast. Templates. On the left side, under the Design tab, you'll find a massive library of pre-made video templates. You can search for specific styles like tech review, gaming montage, or news style video. My tip: look for templates with fast cuts and bold, eye-catching text. These are designed to grab attention immediately. For this tutorial, I'm going to pick a modern, dynamic template. Click on it, and it will automatically apply all the pages to your timeline. Now that we have our template, it's time to make it our own. This is where you replace the placeholder content with your own script and visuals. To change any text, just click on it and start typing. It's that simple. Let's say I'm making a video about productivity tips. I'll just replace the template text with my own headlines and bullet points. Next, the visuals. You can replace the stock clips in the template with your own footage. Just upload your files and drag them onto the scene. Or even better, use Canva's huge library of stock videos. You'll find them under the Elements tab. There are tons of free options, plus even more if you have Canva Pro. A key rule for engagement is to keep each scene short, around 3 to 5 seconds. This fast pacing keeps your viewers hooked, ready to take your video to the next level. Add a voiceover. It's optional, but it makes a huge difference in watch time. Canva gives you 3 easy ways to do this. You can record your voice directly inside the editor, which is super convenient. Just go to Uploads and hit Record yourself. You can also import an audio file you've already recorded on your phone or with a microphone. Or, if you're a bit shy or want a perfectly clear voice, you can use Canva's built-in text-to-speech AI voice generator. It's surprisingly good and a great option to have. Once your voiceover is in place, you need some background music to set the mood. Go to the Audio tab on the left. Canva has a library of music tracks for every vibe imaginable. Just drag your chosen track onto the timeline. Here's a pro tip: right-click on the music track and adjust the volume. You want it to be quiet enough to not overpower your voiceover. So setting it somewhere between 5 to 10% usually works perfectly. Now let's add some polish with motion and effects. You don't want a static video. Select any text element, and you'll see an animate option at the top. You can make your text type out, fade in, or rise up. This adds a dynamic feel. You can also add transitions between your clips. Instead of a hard cut, you can use a smooth fade, a slide, or a wipe. Just click the little plus icon between the clips and select Add Transition. You can also animate the video clips themselves with effects like pan or zoom to create movement. But a word of caution: don't go overboard. A few well-placed effects look professional, too many can look messy. This next tip is one of the most important for making your videos look credible and interesting. Use B-roll. B-roll is simply supplemental footage that you cut to while your main audio or narration is playing. For example, if you're talking about tech gadgets, show a close-up clip of a smartphone. If your video is about money-saving tips, show clips of cash, a person typing on a laptop, or an office desk. If you're talking about gaming, you absolutely need some gameplay footage. B-roll illustrates what you're saying and keeps the viewer's eyes engaged. Canva's stock video library is your best friend here. It's filled with thousands of high-quality B-roll clips for almost any topic. To create a consistent, professional look, stick to a simple color palette. Pick 2 main brand colors and use them throughout your video. For example, you could use blue and white. Apply these colors to your text, any shapes you add, and the background elements. This simple step makes your content instantly recognizable and look way more polished. Finally, when you're happy with your creation, it's time to export. Click the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. For the settings, make sure you choose MP4 as the file type. For the best results on YouTube, select 1080p resolution and check the box for high quality. Then just hit Download, and your professional-looking video is ready to be shared with the world. And there you have it. That's how you can create amazing videos quickly and easily using Canva, even with no prior experience. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.